In the frozen forests of the north lives an animal unlike any other. Pound for pound, the strongest predator on Earth. It weighs less than a child. He is born beneath 3 meters of snow. His mother dug this den herself in the deepest cold of February. He is white, she is dark. The snow keeps him hidden, even from his own kind. Other males will kill him if they find him. So will bears, so will eagles. A cub left in one place too long is a cub already lost. She has not seen another Wolverine in months. She will not see one for many more. In this country, that is the price of raising young. She must hunt 40 kilometers a day. Voles, hares, anything she can dig from beneath the snow. And every kilometer, she returns to him. Day 28. For the first time, he sees light. And the dark shape that has kept him alive. He does not yet know what she is. He does not yet know what he will become. Above him, the world is changing. Day 70. The snow is melting. His coat has darkened. He sees a tree, a bird, a sky. Everything is impossible, and everything is his. He follows her now. Wherever she goes, he goes. She climbs trees. He learns to climb. She moves 40 kilometers in a single day, and he learns to keep up. She listens for what moves beneath the snow. He learns to listen. She caches what she cannot eat, wedging frozen food into the forks of trees, returning weeks later. It is the only way to survive a place that is trying to kill him. And there is much trying to kill him. Day 210. They have killed a reindeer, 3 of them. They are grey wolves. Each weighs 3 times what she does. And his mother has decided the carcass belongs to her. What she does next has been recorded only a handful of times. She will choose her moment. She will commit absolutely. She is 12 kilograms. The wolves will weigh 30 each. She is not afraid. Autumn comes early in the north, and with it, the brown bear, hungry before sleep. 300 kilograms. Some battles, even a Wolverine cannot win. She has weighed her courage against her chances. And tonight, wisdom is the harder kind of strength. She walks away. He watches her walk away. And he learns something fearlessness alone cannot teach. Day 320. His mother no longer waits for him. She has another den and another life beginning. There is no fight, no farewell. He has survived a winter alone. There is nothing in this forest he fears.